Tamassi tikilluaritsi maani tusagasiortunut kiтерsortitsinissatsinнут.
When you ask our businesses to invest in the US, they do. When you ask us to spend more on defense, we do. And when you ask of us to strengthen security in the Arctic, we are on the same page. But when you demand to take over a part of the kingdoms of Denmark territory, when we are met by pressure and by threats from our closest ally, what are we to believe in about the country that we have admired for so many years? The country that, if any, have stood up for others' freedom. You know us, you know what we stand for, and you know that we don't give in.
I rigtig mange år, hvad angår udenrigs- og sikkerhedspolitik, har haft at blive behandlet ligeværdigt, at blive forstået af det her kriterier.
Der er allerede nu en tæt dialog om de næste indsatser, altså den næste arktiske pakke, som kommer på plads senere i år.